how to change your name on YouTube. So guys, as you know that YouTube basically operates off of your Gmail account. So any way that you display or have your name set up onto your Gmail account that you're using your YouTube account for is how it's going to get displayed. So for that purpose, all we have to do is simply click on the edit option onto editing off our name. Now this is our profile picture, which is visible to everyone. You can either change or remove that, but we need to manage our Google account. So for that purpose, we are going to head over here and head over to the personal information right here. And from here, all we have to do is change up our name. We can add in a nickname or change in our display name, and that in turn is automatically going to change up onto every single platform of Google. Let's just say you're signed in onto YouTube from this specific name as well. It's going to change your name directly over there. Now, if I change it from this to just this being my initial, it's just going to save. Now, one thing you have to keep in mind is that you can only change your name twice in 14 days, and you cannot do that any more than that. You're restricted to only doing it twice in the 2 weeks period of time. So guys, this is how you can change your name in YouTube. This is a simple, quick, and easy tutorial. If you find this video helpful, be sure to leave a like, comment down below, and also subscribe to the YouTube channel.